Good morning once again, and I think we are now all set to begin the ceremony. First of all, a very warm welcome from Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC Limited. I'm Amrita Panja, your presenter for the day and a team member of Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC. There is an African proverb that says, if you want to go fast, go alone. But if we want to go far, go together. Standing here today, I am reminded of that saying, being in the midst of this august gathering of people who have walked many miles together to this significant milestone as Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC Limited gets listed on the stock exchanges. Rome was not built in a day. Similarly, an organization is built over the years, brick by brick, goal by goal, and milestone by milestone. Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC Limited, in its 26 years, has become one of the leading asset managers in the country. Well, team, you have indeed come a long way. Let's have a round of applause for that. On this joyous moment, we are joined by distinguished guests from Aditya Birla Group, Aditya Birla Capital, Sun Life, leaders and colleagues from Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC, and many who are tuned in right now digitally from various corners of this country and the world. A big hello to you all. I would take this opportunity to extend a special welcome to our group chairman, Mr. Kumar Mangalam Birla and Mrs. Neerja Birla, and the lovely Birla family who is here today to grace the occasion. A warm welcome to our group CFO, Mr. Sushil Agarwal, our Chief Executive of Aditya Birla Capital, Mr. Ajay Srinivasan, Country Head, India Sun Life, Mr. Sandeep Asthana, our eminent board of directors and trustee directors, the leadership team of the AMC, headlined by our Managing Director and CEO, Mr. A. Balasubramanian, our investment banking partners, legal counsels, and auditors who have been an integral to this IPO journey. A special thanks to Mr. Vikram Limay, Managing Director and CEO of the National Stock Exchange, and his entire team for being the host for this listing ceremony. A warm welcome to you, Mr. Limay. All right, now, to move ahead, I would request all of you to please stand in attention for the national anthem, followed by the Aditya Vandana and the Aditya Birla Capital anthem. Request everyone to kindly stand in attention till all the three are played out.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
सविता सूर्य खगः भूषा गभस्तिमान् सुवर्ण सदृशो भानुर्विश्वरेता दिवाकरः तेरे रे रे नो तेरे नो चल साथी मिलके हम उजियारे बिखराए चल जरा जुगनू सा क्या उड़ना आ सूरज बन जाए चल जरा किरणों से एक नई दास्तां हम लिखे कुछ नए से जहां ढूंढने है हमें जुगनू सा क्यों जिए मिलके हम सूरज बने चल साथी मिलके हम बन जाए किरणों का कारवां चल साथी रोशन ये जग होगा बदलेगा ये जहां किरणों से एक नई दास्तां हम लिखे कुछ नए से जहां ढूंढने है हमें जुगनू सा क्यों जिए मिलके हम सूरज बने
Thank you so much, everyone. We will now commence this special occasion by inviting our chairman, Mr. Birla, for lighting the auspicious lamp, accompanied by Mr. Ajay Srinivasan, Mr. Sandeep Asthana, Mr. A. Balasubramanian, and Mr. Vikram Limay. I would request also the guests to kindly stay on stage after the lamp lighting ceremony for a short felicitation by Mr. A. Bala and Mr. Limay. Request the guests to kindly stay on stage for a short felicitation ceremony, please. Request Bala sir to kindly extend the welcome bouquet to our chairman, Mr. Birla. Next up, Mr. Ajay Srinivasan. For Mr. Sandeep Asthana, please. And for Mr. Vikram Lamay, please. Well, our lovely host, NSC, also has a felicitation to do here. Can we have the memento for our chairman, Mr. Birla, please? The memento for Mr. Ajay Srinivasan. The memento for Mr. Sandeep Asthana. And the memento for Mr. A. Balasubramanian. Thank you everyone for joining us on this auspicious lamp lighting ceremony. It's a tradition to mark a lovely new beginning. All right, moving on. I would now like to invite on stage our lead banker, Kotak Mahindra Investment Banking's Managing Director and CEO, Mr. Ramesh Srinivasan, for the opening address. So.
Mr. Birla, members of the Birla family, Managing Director of the National Stock Exchange, Ajay, Bala, other dignitaries who have been invited and are present here, Sushil, and the wonderful management of Birla AMC and the Birla Group. At the outset, on behalf of all the book runners, I want to thank you for giving us the opportunity to present this IPO to the capital markets. This is our privilege and honor. It is a momentous occasion for the Birla Group as it's coming out with an IPO after several years. This is also Sun Life Inc.'s first listing in India of its venture. Mr. Birla and his family members' august presence at this listing therefore has a special significance for this occasion. I'm tempted to say that of late, the Indian capital markets are active, and it's also become fashionable to list ventures that are not necessarily profitable for a long time ahead. But when you look at the Birla Sun Life AMC listing, it completely bucks this trend. It's a company which has been incorporated, a business which has been incorporated several decades back, has built an excellent track record of profitability and franchise, and is a meaningful company in India. Therefore, getting listed after several years of track record and profitability. The overwhelming response from the retail investors for this IPO bears testimony to this fact. Birla Sun Life AMC, the company that is getting listed today, is the largest non-bank affiliated AMC. It has a unique franchise of its business. And friends, most of you know A. Balasubramaniam, the CEO, whom we fondly call Bala. He's well known to the media, he's well known to all of us. And he is represented and present here with a solid management team that has built this business. And that management team and he are second to none. The listing has got a special significance for Bala, as there's a lot of hard work that has gone into making this IPO happen. Next, the CEO behind the CEO, which is Ajay Srinivasan, he's been very focused on transforming ABC, the promoter entity of Birla Sun Life AMC, into a reputed NBFC of scale and quality. The listing of this venture is one of the key pegs to enhance market capitalization and build shareholder value. And even for Ajay and all his colleagues who are present here, this listing in its journey is a very, very important occasion. Sun Life Financial Link, which is represented here by Sandeep Asthana, has been an effective partner in this venture to the Birla Group. They have been a patient and strategic investor for a number of years. Mr. Birla has had a special vision in creating and grooming the financial services business of the Birla Group. He has thought it befitting to allow the listing of the AMC only after it has achieved this kind of scale and track record. The name Birla holds a special place with investors in the Indian capital markets, and the response to the IPO is a testimony of this great branding. All of us, the lead management team, had the occasion to watch Mr. Birla walk the talk when it came to listening to investors and taking care of their interest. I have no doubt that under his stewardship, the financial services business will prosper immensely. Before I conclude, I'm tempted to speak 2 lines about the people who made this project happen, because all of us watched it at close quarters. Bala worked 24/7 with his management team, whether it was relating to the prospectus or whether it was doing investor meetings. And that has had a special reason why the time milestones were met. Ajay and Sushil, supported by Sandeep, were the sutradhars of this listing. They were always available to make the important decisions and take the calls. Last but not the least, Pramod and Nikhil held this project together, asking the difficult and pertinent questions and making sure the interest of the various groups were well protected. I'd like to make a special mention about Sandeep Asthana, who was practical and supportive, always available along with the Birla Group to make the right decisions for this IPO. Mr. Birla, I just want to end by saying you have a wonderful management team and you should really be proud of this. I end by wishing you all the best, and this is a start of a great and long journey. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Srinivasan. And before we go on to the next address, Bala sir would want to present a bouquet to Mrs. Neeja Birla. I would now like to request Mr. Vikram Limay, MD and CEO, National Stock Exchange, to take the stage for his welcome address, please.
Morning, everyone. Mr. Birla, Mr. Birla's family, dignitaries from the Aditya Birla Group, Bala, Ajay, other guests, board members of Birla AMC and the Birla Group. A very warm welcome to all of you today for the listing ceremony of the Aditya Birla AMC, which, as has already been said, is the largest non-bank affiliated asset management company in the country. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome yet another company from the Aditya Birla Group to be listed on NSE. We have a very strong relationship with the group as several of its companies are currently listed on various indices of NSE. I have a few important factoids in this regard. Out of the Nifty 50 companies that continue to remain in the Nifty 50 index since inception, which is now almost more than 25 years ago, there are 2 companies from the Aditya Birla Group out of the 15, only 15 out of the 50 that have survived since inception. Grasim and Hindalco continue to be in the Nifty 50 since inception. There are 3 companies from the Aditya Birla Group that are part of the Nifty 50, Grasim, Hindalco, and Ultratech Cement as well. The other thing that is important to note is that NSE created a separate index called the Nifty Aditya Birla Group Index, which was created almost 15 years ago. And I think it's important to note that this index has reported a return of more than 100% in the last 12 months, and on an annualized basis, a return of about 11.65% over the last 15 years, which is quite phenomenal. So heartiest congratulations, Mr. Birla, to you and the entire Aditya Birla Group for creating enormous shareholder value over time. NSE also has a very long-standing relationship with the Aditya Birla AMC, with several of its schemes and exchange-traded funds being listed and traded on our platform. It is the 4th AMC of the country to get listed, and we hope that other players in the industry will also follow. Listing on NSE will not only help shareholders of Aditya Birla AMC to unlock value in the company, but will also provide visibility amongst its peers. This listing marks a significant landmark for the company, as well as for the Indian asset management industry. We foresee a very bright future for the asset management industry, driven by the increasing aggregate financial savings combined with growing investor awareness of mutual fund products and rapid digitization. NSE is focused on catalyzing India's growth story by creating investment opportunities, enabling access, and empowering stakeholders. The exchange has focused on developing an ecosystem for the financial markets where the Indian corporations can chart their growth stories, and we wish the Aditya Birla AMC the very best as it begins a new phase of its corporate journey as a listed entity. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Limay. Now on to a very special address by the person whose vision, leadership, support and guidance has been the driving force for all of us. My absolute privilege to invite Mr. Kumar Mangalam Birla on stage for his address.
A very good morning, and thank you all for being here on what is clearly a very significant milestone, the listing of Aditya Birla Sun Life Asset Management Company, or ABSL AMC as the stock market ticker will soon call it. This is indeed a proud moment in time for Aditya Birla Capital, our financial services business, and indeed for the entire Aditya Birla Group. We started this business 26 years ago with the dream of helping millions of investors in our country unlock the value of the India growth story. People and institutions did not just invest their hard-earned money, but also their trust. And today, 26 years later, brick by brick, customer by customer, this trust has enabled our AMC business to build a formidable franchise. To the millions of investors, comprising both individuals and institutions, this milestone feels like an opportune time to say thank you. Over these 26 years, our AMC business has followed a simple recipe: great people, great partners, and great products. Under the able leadership of Bala, the guidance provided by Ajay, the drive of a relentless and hugely committed team, and the strong backup of our strategic partner, Sun Life, this business has scaled up to become one of the largest AMCs in the country, with over 7 million investor portfolios and an AUM of 2.93 lakh crores. To put this growth in perspective, the AUM has grown by more than 14 times in 14 years. Early in our journey, we recognized that mutual fund sahi hai aur sabke liye hai, and therefore it was essential to both widen and deepen our presence. Consequently, we widened our presence by establishing our franchise across 280 plus locations, with more than 80% of these beyond the top 30 cities of India. We also deepened our outreach by building a network of some great partners comprising 65,000 plus mutual fund distributors, 100 plus partner banks and financial intermediaries, and 230 plus national distributors. The growth of our AMC business is a testimony to Aditya Birla Capital's vision to be a leader and a role model in the financial services sector. The company has already made, as all of you would know, significant progress in creating businesses with scale and with leadership, and increasing the focus on retailization. Today, Aditya Birla Capital has an overall AUM of 3.35 lakh crores across asset management, life insurance, and health insurance, making this company one of the largest fund managers in this country. Its overall lending book of the NBFC and housing finance put together stood at rupees 60,000 crores, which is more than that of several mid-sized banks. ABCL's gross premium across its life and health insurance businesses grew 25% year-on-year in FY21 and stood at over rupees 11,000 crores, making us a significant insurance player as well. Going forward, I see our financial services business continuing to remain an even more important engine of growth for the Aditya Birla Group. The financial services sector is pivotal to the group's overall growth strategy, as it strongly mirrors the India growth story. India's economic growth is driven, I believe, by 3 Ds: demography, digitization, and disruptive innovation. In no other sector has this been felt more sharply than in financial services. Over the years, the deepening of the financial services sector has been aided by deregulation, digitization, technological sophistication, the ubiquity of the internet, and prudent regulatory policies. No wonder various parts of India's financial services, including capital markets, banking, mutual funds, insurance, and pensions, are already at par with global standards. For example, our stock exchanges, again something that you know, are showing the way by moving towards T+1 clearing. Alongside app-based technology, digitally secure KYC processes, and instant bank clearing have made the investor experience truly seamless. Indeed, in the past 12 months alone, 13 million new Demat accounts have been added. These factoids reveal that India is now at an inflection point with the financialization of savings. The financial services industry could intermediate a considerable part of the $500 billion of annual savings in our country. The mutual fund industry, therefore, I believe is all set to shape and to ride this wave, thus creating a massive opportunity for investors across the country. This listing today marks a new beginning in the continuous march of the Indian mutual fund industry. The journey ahead for Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC promises to be an exciting one, to say the very least, and it will of course rely on the simple principle that we had formulated many years ago, that of great people, great partners, and great products. Thank you.
Okay, we are kind of running a tight schedule here, and take a pick. Should we listen to Bala sir after the bell ringing ceremony or before that? All right, so I'll call on stage Bala sir, who we have the absolute pleasure of working with every single day and be inspired by his dedication and commitment. Sir.
Morning. Good morning to everyone. And thanks to Mr. Birla and Mrs. Birla and his entire family to show your way to us by being present here. And warm welcome to Aditya Birla Sanlife AMC and members to this special ceremony that marks an important milestone in our journey. It is heartening to see the gathering here of our well-wishers, merchant bankers, lawyers and auditors, and who have been part of the IPO journey, and my colleagues from Aditya Birla Group, Aditya Birla Capital, Sun Life and Aditya Birla Sanlife AMC. It is a moment filled with a sense of gratitude, and there are many people I have to thank. To begin with, I would like to thank our Group Chairman, Mr. Kumar Birla, for his support and guidance throughout our journey. I would also like to thank Mr. Ajay Srinivasan for his deep involvement in the financial services business and his unstinted support to the AMC business. A sincere thanks to Sun Life Global President, Mr. Kevin Stein, who is not, of course, here. He has sent his wishes. And Sun Life Country Head, Mr. Sandeep Asthana, and their global team for their involvement in building the business so far. My heartfelt gratitude to our original founding team, our past and present board of directors and trustees, and the entire ABG ecosystem. There has been a pillar of strength, both as an advocate and well-wisher of our AMC. I would like to thank all members of our senior management team and all my other colleagues for their relentless support in taking the AMC to where we are today. My sincere thanks to our business associates and who have worked with us for several years to manage the back-end and support operation to ensure seamless operation. And last but not the least, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all our customers and distribution partners who have been instrumental in our growth journey. It is a happy moment for all of us. Aditya Birla Sanlife AMC became one of the listed financial service institutions in the country. This milestone also enhances the responsibility that we all have towards our customers, shareholders, and other stakeholders. I take pride in being part of the organization and the Aditya Birla Group for over 25 years now, and I enjoyed the support and blessings in every possible way from Mr. Birla and other senior members of the team. While we have seen various cycles in the last 25 years, what has been constant is the sheer commitment of the group to build financial services business and AMC business in particular. I'm happy to say that other than managing close to 3 lakh crore assets under management, we also have a large base of 5 million unique customer base and we're coming from over 7 million folios. Let me just ring the bell and then come back and continue my talk.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Can we also have the senior management team of Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC join us? Group CFO Sushil Agarwal and the team from Aditya Birla Capital, Pramod Selvaratnam, Pinky Mehta, Ajay Kakkar.
While the bell ceremony is over, now the new journey begins. Of course, prize discovery always happens as the time moves along and as we start delivering performance. And that's the big responsibility that comes on our head as the new journey begins. As an AMC, while we have seen various cycles in the last 25 years, what has been a constant is the sheer commitment of the group to build financial services business and the AMC business. I'm happy to say that other than managing more than 3 lakh crore assets under management, we also have a large base of 5 million unique customers coming from 7.2 million folios. The last 7 years, equity assets have grown to almost touch 1,27,000 crores while maintaining our dominant position in the fixed income space. Our profitability has been growing consistently each year, and we have been one of the company giving continuous dividends among the AMC industry in the country. As Ramesh mentioned, there are new companies are coming, new technology companies are coming. I think we as an AMC have remained one of the most profitable AMC, rewarding shareholders at each interval every year on the basis of the size and scale and the profitability that we have been generating. We have been working closely with all the distribution partners across the country who have reposed their faith in our organization and trusted our fund management capabilities that has been working towards delivering the best possible experience. We as an AMC have remained a thought leader in the Indian mutual fund business and continue to stay focused in serving the needs of large pool of customers on one side and building our distribution reach across the country on the other side. In fact, we are present in more than 280 locations. I'm sure this will only further expand. The 26 years I had its shares of ups and downs. I do take pride in the fact that as an AMC, we have weathered several such market cycles, such as technology bubble, the Lehman Brothers crisis, and yet have managed to grow the business to where we are today. And during each of these phases, among the many things that we did, what I'm especially proud of is the resilience and commitment that the AMC could display in each of these transitions with a strong people focus and shareholders support. At Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC, we have focused on creating people-oriented organization with an enabling environment that on one hand provides the opportunity to every team member to work as part of the well-established and renowned conglomerate, yet act as an entrepreneur. In fact, I'd like to take the opportunity to thank Mr. Birla, who has been encouraging us to work like entrepreneurs, guided by our group's core values of integrity, commitment, passion, and seamlessness and speed. I can say with authority that all the employees of ABS AMC give their best in serving the needs of our customers with their highest involvement and commitment and high degree of passion that has held us in good stead all these years. As an AMC, we strive to build a holistic, sustainable, and inclusive organization by adopting high governance standards, strictly adhering to the regulatory framework, ensuring we keep evolving with each changing world and remain mindful and agile while adapting to the emerging trends. This is what helps the organization stay young, energetic, and driven. As the size of the fund keeps increasing, the complexity of running the business has also been rising. As a fund house, we give every high importance to manage the risk associated with the operations of a mutual fund business to ensure we carry out our fiduciary responsibility effectively and in the best interest of our customers. As asset manager, we always kept the interest of our investors at the center while running the business. In this long journey of over 26 years, there may have been a few instances when we fell short in certain areas to meet expectations. However, with the deep commitment to this business and our stakeholders, we also learn quickly from those instances and ensure that we give satisfactory outcomes in every possible way. I'm aware the new journey of our AMC going for listing increases our responsibility towards creating shareholders value on one side, while carrying out a fiducial responsibility on the other side in providing good experience to our investors. I would like to say as a firm, we remain committed to serving the customer needs while building shareholders value by serving the large pool of growing investors in the country. We shall remain relentless in our resolve to continue on the path of being a thought leader in the Indian mutual fund industry in growing our equity assets, alternate products, and delight our customers with the best possible solutions with the round-the-clock seamless service. On behalf of my entire senior management team, I can say that we remain committed to build this business and serve better all our stakeholders in the times to come. Thank you all once again.
Thank you, Bala sir. Request now Mr. Ravi Kapoor, MD, Head of Banking, Capital Markets and Advisory at Citibank, to come on stage, please, sir.
Mrs. and Mr. Birla, the entire Birla family, Ajay Srinivasan, Bala, Sushil, the entire management team, many, many congratulations on this, what I call is perfect listing. Bankers are always told either you have overpriced or underpriced. I think this, after a long time, we had a perfect listing. So many congratulations on, unlocking over 20,000 crores of value, which the entire group, the Sun Life, your partner, and the management team has very, very assiduously built up over decades. Just want to thank you, first of all, for working with us, having trust in us, listening to us, and giving us this opportunity of being part of this very, very momentous listing. I am very sure that as you have taken care of millions of shareholders, millions of customers whom you have delivered returns, you will take care of a new million set of new shareholders who are joining your shareholder register. Many congratulations once again to the entire team, and thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Kapoor. I would now like to invite on stage Mr. Raj Balkrishnan, Managing Director and Co-Head Investment Banking at Bank of America, for the vote of thanks.
Mr. Birla, Ms. Birla, members of the Birla family, Sushil ji, Ajay, Bala, Sandeep, Vikram, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of BofA Securities and all the BRLMs, I'd like to thank the Aditya Birla Group, Sun Life, and the management of Aditya Birla AMC, Sun Life AMC, for having given us the opportunity to bring this exciting IPO to markets. ABSL AMC is the largest non-bank owned asset manager in the country and has established a track record of creating value for investors in both its debt and equity schemes. I'm confident that ABSL AMC will maintain this track record of creating value for stakeholders as it begins its journey as a public company today. The IPO of ABSL AMC has been extremely well received by markets, attracting strong subscription across categories. QIB bucket was oversubscribed 10.4x, while the NII and retail buckets were oversubscribed 4.4 and 3.2x respectively, attracting an overall investor base of 1.6 million applications. This is truly a remarkable achievement and something which has been achieved through the dint of hard work over 26 years, as others have highlighted. I'd also like to thank everybody for having graced this occasion as we celebrate this important step in the life of the company. Thank you once again.
All right then, we are done for the day, I guess, and congratulations, Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC. Now you are officially listed on the stock exchanges. Let's have a round of applause. Thank you everyone for your best wishes. Please join us for some refreshments and have a great day.